Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm just going to be doing a really easy swipe using mostly blues and greens. All my paint colors and ratios, as well as links to supplies, will be listed in the description box so you can find all the details there. While I'm just pouring this on, I did want to say thank you so much for all your support and kind comments during the past year. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope you have a very happy, healthy, and creative new year, and I'm looking forward to what's ahead for 2023. I'm using my typical swipe ratios for the base colors that I'm busy pouring on. So each of these is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone. To swipe, I'm using ivory black paint, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water, and this doesn't contain any silicone oil. I like how the colors turned out, and I think some of the little cells within cells are quite cute too. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.